Hi friends, registered dietitian nutritionist Whitney English here. Welcome back to another episode of Whit's Tips on Nutrition Trends. Today we're talking how to support immune health through diet, and as a little bonus, I've got a tasty recipe for my immune supporting Super C strawberry shots to get you started. What you eat plays a major role in how well your body is able to fight off disease. And with a global pandemic on our hands, now more than ever, it's important to eat a nutritious diet to give our immune system everything it needs to operate at its best. Vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals work in an array of interconnected ways to help keep our bodies healthy. From supporting skin and gut health, to keeping invaders out, to acting as wingmen in metabolic reactions, to triggering our body to release butt-kicking compounds, nutrients in food are essential to our overall health. So let's talk specifics. While practically all nutrients interact with our immune system in one way or another, I want to highlight 3 key nutrients that work overtime to help protect us: vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc. Zinc is a mineral that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's responsible for wound healing. Zinc deficiency can cause dysregulation of the immune system and increase one's risk of infections. Good sources of zinc include whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. Vitamin A is important for skin health and barrier function, basically making sure our skin and digestive tract are able to keep the bad guys out. A few good sources include sweet potatoes, mangoes, spinach, and kale. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that works with other enzymes to neutralize harmful compounds in the body and stimulate our immune system during infections. Good sources include citrus, bell peppers, and strawberries, which are the most widely available fresh fruit containing vitamin C. In fact, just 1 serving of 8 large strawberries contains your entire daily dose of vitamin C. While eating or supplementing these nutrients won't prevent you from getting sick, not getting enough of them will increase your risk of infection and your body's ability to fight back. So how can you pack in as many immune-supporting nutrients as possible? Eat a balanced diet rich in whole fruits and vegetables. Toss a handful of strawberries in your morning bowl of cereal, pair your hummus wrap at lunch with some baby carrots, and pack as many kinds of beans as possible into your favorite chili recipe. Another easy option, start your day with my Super C strawberry shots. Just one of these little nutrient powerhouses will give you 2/3 of the vitamin C and 1/3 of the vitamin A you need in a day. Here's how to make them. In a blender, combine about 2 cups strawberries with 2 ounces orange juice, 1 ounce lemon juice, 1 ounce carrot juice, a half teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, a half teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Pour into small glasses and sip away. The recipe makes about 4 shots. Cheers. I hope you'll enjoy this burst of vitamins, flavor, and phytochemicals as much as I do. Stay healthy, friends. I'm Whitney. Thanks for watching.